As we're heading into the winter months, it is really important to get ahead of making sure your roof is cleaned off, and especially those gutters are cleaned out of debris. If the gutters fill up, that debris is going to trap the water and could do some interior damage to your house. So if you need a good vendor for your roof cleaning, your gutters, reach out. Also, now that we're going to have some more time inside our house, you may notice some projects you want to get ahead of and you're not sure what the ROI on those would be. Feel free to reach out. We can FaceTime if we're not in the same city or state, and we can go over what would be the best ROI that you can have on your property so that you can enjoy it for yourself, and then also keep in mind future resale. As usual, I'm a phone call away. I am never too busy to brainstorm with you, plan with you, and help those people in your life that are important to you. Give me a call.